Good morning, children. Let me take a lesson that is supplementary for each ninth standard, the cat and the painkiller. So before getting into the lesson, we have to see what are the characters. It's about a small boy whose name is Tom. The entire name is, what are the characters? Let us see. Tom Sawyer, he doesn't have parents, so he is under the control of his aunt. His aunt name is Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly. And he got his friend. His friend is Becky Thatcher. And Tom Sawyer always used to play with the cat. The cat name is and his friends, some of the friends also the Peter. Pet cat of Tom Sawyer. Only these characters. Tom Sawyer is a small boy. He's not interested in studies. Always is very familiar for the mischiefs. Mischiefs, that Kurumbuttanon solran paranga, that thing. And he was brought up by his aunt. She was very fond of Tom Sawyer, but then just to bring him to the correct way, so she used to say some, very hard punishments she used to give for the boy. She thinks that's a good for him, but the boy doesn't like all those things, and he started to hate his auntie because of the treatment what she has given. Actually, she gave all the treatment. That is worst treatment only. She gave the treatment only to bring up the boy in the correct way because he is parentless child. But the boy, he doesn't like, because though she seems to be, though she feels that's good for him, that is somewhat terrible only. He cannot bear, being a small boy, he cannot bear the punishment, so he just dislikes his auntie. He is not interested in studies also. He never goes to school properly. Because of the thing, not attending the school only, aunt will give the severe punishments. Once his friend Becky Thatcher joined in the school. So after he joined, he went to the school somewhat regularly. In between, the boy also stopped the school due to some ill health. So he's not at all interested. He wants to play with the cat. The cat name is what? Peter. It is a pet cat. So what are the punishments given? He doesn't know how to bear the punishments of his auntie. So once what he did, the painkiller, his auntie always find the new medicines. What are the medicines she finds? She is interested in medicine. What are the medicines she finds? She is tested with Tom only. Once what has happened, the same like she brought a new painkiller. Tom gave this painkiller to the pet cat Peter. After it takes the medicine, it was doing some different actions. Roaming here and there, jumping, flattering, somersaulting. Like that, she makes all the things that cat. Aunt came and asked what's happened. He said nothing. It is the result of the painkiller. So now only the auntie realizes even the small creature, it cannot express his pain. Even the creature itself suffered like this, means how Tom will be. You think over the position of Tom. From that day onwards, she became more kind to Tom and she never used that kind of punishments. This is the lesson. Shall we get into the lesson? Shall we get into the subject? The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It's a big novel. From the novel, only one extract is given to you. It's a big novel, I say. There are many. What are the mischievous he did? How he was punished by his auntie. Everything is given in such a big novel. Like novel, it's a continuous story. But here it is composed of many short stories. About a young boy, Tom Sawyer. He growing along with the Mississippi River. So where he is living? He is living near Mississippi. It is the river name. at St. Petersburg. The place is St. Petersburg. It is a landmark. Mississippi River, near Mississippi River means it's a landmark, but he is residing in the place St. Petersburg. Tom Sawyer lived with his aunt, Aunt Polly, and his brother Sid. He got his brother also. The brother name is what? Sid. Is the brother of Tom Sawyer. He is up to all sorts of mischief. That is, he can do all the nonsense, but very cleverly escapes from the punishment that are given to him. He finds school life miserable. Miserable means what? Very bored one and pathetic one. But after Becky Thatcher's arrival in town, he is a bit happy to go to school. Even that happiness does not last long, as Becky falls ill and does not come to school. For a certain time only he was happy. The boy fell in sick and he stopped the school. The board of school, Tom with his best friends. Who are the other friends? They are the friends of Tom Sawyer. Who are the friends? First one is Joe Harper, Joe Harper and Huck. He cuts off the school and play with the friends. The Cat and the Painkiller is one of the episodes of Tom Sawyer, where we find him playing pranks on his Aunt Polly, who loves him very much but does not show her love outwardly in order to make him a good boy. So she loved him very much, but she did not show the love because the love may spoil the boy. So just for that, she treats him somewhat hardly. Becky, we'll go to the lesson now. Becky Thatcher, his friend, had stopped coming to school. This disturbed Tom. He became unhappy. The charm of life was gone. There was nothing but boredom left. Because he was interested with only one friend only, that he is attending the school, he stopped. So he felt a boredom. He put up his hoop away and his bat. There was no joy in them anymore, and so his Aunt Polly was concerned. He felt there was no joy. He doesn't like his aunt also. She was infatuated with the patient medicine and all new methods of producing health or mending it. She was always she has curiosity to find out the new medicines. She was incurable experimenter in these things. And what all she finds, she wants to test on Tom only. She began to try all manners of remedies on Tom. New medicines she finds when she used to think. For example, the water treatment was new now, and Tom's low condition was windfall to her. She had him out at daylight every morning, stood him by in the woodshade and drowned him in cold water. Then she rubbed him hard with the towel like a file. Then she rolled him up in the wet sheet and put him away under blankets. So she found a new method, first method. So she treated the boy very hardly. I said no in the beginning. How she treated? First method of treatment is what? Water treatment. What are the treatments she has given on the boy? First one is water treatment. What is water treatment means? The boy is taken out, the nearby woodside. He has to give the bath, the cold water. Cold water, chill water. She has to give the bath and took him and stood him in the woodshade and drowned him in the cold water. Not bath. She made the boy to drown in the water. Drown means what? Immersed into the water. Then he took him away, then took the boy out, rubbed him hard. Rubbed means what? Wiped him hard with a towel, and then she rolled him up with a sheet and put him under the blankets. Can you follow what it is? She drowned in the water, in the cold water, then took the boy out, wiped his body and rounded him. Rounded him means what? Folded him in the blankets and the papers and then the wet sheet. Actually, she drowned him in the water. She took the boy out and rubbed also. Then again, she kept the boy in the wet paper. Then what's use of wiping the body? Can you follow what I say? Once it's wiped, it becomes somewhat, that what I say, there is no chillness in the body. Then again she made the boy to fold with the bed sheet, and then she put him under the blankets. So he is a small boy, no, he cannot bear all the treatment. Yet notwithstanding all, thus boy grew more and more sad and pale and dejected. Because of this treatment, how the boy looked like he was very pale and dejected. Dejected means always in the depressed face, depressed mood. His face shows always some sadness. So she had a doth bath, sitz bath, shower bath, and plunges. What all she find newly she wanted to make it. That boy became a experiment. What all she wants to do on the boy. The boy remained bored. She began to assist the water with a slim oatmeal diet and blister plasters. Then second time, because the boy has become pale every day, she gave the bath with the oat. Oat is one of the grains like that. She calculated his capacity and filled him every day with quack cure halls. He became fed up, and so he thought over various plans of relief. He wants to get away from his auntie's treatment, and finally hit upon that of professing to be fond of painkiller. Finally, he wants to find out some painkiller. He asked for it so often that he became a nuisance because he cannot bear the treatment of the auntie. So what he asked, I cannot bear all the treatment. Better you find a painkiller. Painkiller, it is the medicine which makes us to forget about our pains. It relieves us from the pains. So, further, the boy could not bear the treatment of the auntie, and what he said, better you give me a painkiller. She found that the medicine did really diminish, but it did not occur to her that the boy was mending the health of a crack in sitting floor with it. One day, Tom was in the act of dosing the crack when his aunt's cat, Peter, came along. So, eyeing the teaspoon greedily and begging for a taste. He was taking the painkiller. Who was taking the painkiller? Tom was taking the painkiller. What his aunt made newly. Tom said, don't ask it for unless you want it, Peter. Peter came near him. And Peter, who's the Peter? Peter is the cat of Tom Sawyer. Peter came near and asked little. Asked little means what? Licking. On saying the actions, we know whether they need or not. So what Tom said? No. If you really want, you ask the painkiller or else I won't give. But Peter signified that he did want it. Signified means what? Says yes, like that he wants. So Peter was sure. Now you have asked for it and I'll give it to you because there is not anything mean about me. What I said, okay, he talks to the Peter, the cat. If you want really, I can give it to you, but you don't blame me afterwards. Peter was agreeable. He was talking with cat because you asked, I'll give, but don't blame me. Peter was agreeable. So Tom opened his mouth and poured down the painkiller. The painkiller actually was given to Tom only. He poured the mouth. He is not swallowing it. He poured the mouth, and what all remaining in the mouth, he just give it to the cat. Peter sprang a couple of yards into the air and then delivered a war whoop and set off round and round the room, banging against furniture, upsetting the flower pots and making general confusion. After getting the painkiller, actually directly it was not given to him. The painkiller was given by Tom to the cat through the mouth. What he got in the mouth, he poured onto the mouth of cat. And after consuming the painkiller, the cat was making such a nonsense. It was rolling up and down. It cannot bear the power of the medicine. It makes somewhat confusion in the thing. Unflowering the flower pots. What are the things? He makes the things to upside down. Like that he made confess. Next he rose on his hind feet and danced around. First, after that he made and took rest somewhat. The cat. Then again it just wake up and was dancing. And his head over his shoulders and his voice proclaiming his happiness, making some sound. Then the dogs and all bark, that is same like cats and all bark. They purring. Then he went tearing around the house again and spreading chaos and destruction in his path. It was moving here and there, making, we cannot express in words what are the things the cat did. Aunt Polly entered to some in time to see him throw a few doubles somersaults, deliver a final mighty. Okay. Somersaults means when the kutti karna podrangan solranga paranga, like that. It was making, that is the cat was making 2 times. That is making bed, that is upside down, is making toe to head. 2 times he did like this. The whole lady stood with astonishment, peering over her glasses. She took away the glasses and see what the cat is doing. Tom lay on the floor expiring with laughter. Well, the cat was suffering like this. Tom laughed like anything. Okay, he could not see the thing, what are the things the cat did. Tom, what on the head ails the cat? Then immediately aunt asked, what happened? Why the cat is doing like this? What he said? I don't know, aunt. Why I never see anything like it? What did make him to act so? Then she asked, no. So far the cat has not moved like that. Why she moved? Why she did like this? Again he said, really I don't know. Cats always act so when they are having good time. What he said? What Tom said? He never agreed that he gave the painkiller to the cat. He said, no. Whenever the cats are in the happy mood, they used to do like this. There was something in the tone that made Tom apprehensive. So what he said? Because of his tone, the aunt suspected and asked again, really nothing has happened to the cat. He said, yes. The old lady bent down and took the teaspoon and held it out. And she saw the teaspoon. The teaspoon only, she gave the painkiller to Tom. The teaspoon was down. Tom winced and dropped his eyes. Immediately he just kept the eyes down. Aunt Polly raised him by the usual handle, his ear. She used to pull his ear and make him to stand, and cracked his head soundly with a thimble. She was making up like this. She just give a beat on the head and say, what's happened? Then he said, I done it out of pity for him because he had not any aunt. What he said? You are here to take care of me, but this the cat, there was no one to take care. So it was asking me, I gave the medicine to that. So aunt said, had not any aunt, you numbskull. What was that got to do with it? Then she asked, you buffalo, numbskull means what? Just a scolding word. What you did it? Then he said, heaps. Because if he had done, she would burnt him out herself. She had a roasted bubble out of him and any more feeling that was human. So now only he has agreed, because if he has not agreed the truth, aunt will punish him very severely. So he agreed the truth, that he gave the teaspoonful of medicine to the cat. So some more lines only. Then now let me complete the lesson on realizing the mistakes of her. Even the cat suffering like this on taking the painkiller. Now the aunt realized what the mistake she did. What she did, she gave the painkiller to the boy. Now she understood what the mistake she did and what are the things so far she did is wrong. She realized and asked sorry and said, hereafter I won't do like this. Go along with you, Tom, before you annoy me again. She said, you don't make me to irritate and don't get this kind of punishment. Aunt said, and really, if you want medicine, you tell me, I'll give the medicine. The aunt said. His auntie said, whenever you need the medicine, really, you ask the medicine. But hereafter, I won't give any medicine unless you need it. The aunt said like that, and the thing was over. Then from that day onwards, aunt was very happy. The Tom also, he was regular, he was normal like other boys. Okay, thank you children. This is the lesson completed. This is the mischievous of Tom Sawyer, nothing else. So question and answers I will give in next class.